Welcome back student. Today we are going to have brainstorming upon power. Power. What is power? Power is a rate at which work is done. Power is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of power is watt. If W is the work done in time T, then P power is given by P is equal to W divided by T. Power. What is power? Power is a rate at which work is done. Power is a rate at which work is done. Power is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of power is watt. If W is the work done in time P, then P power is given by P is equal to W by T. My dear student, now we will see some problems related to our chapter.
First we'll read the problem and try to understand the problem. Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton to move a book to 30 centimeter. Find the work done. Given force is equal to 10 Newton. To move a book means displacement S is equal to 30 centimeter. We have to find W. Here, displacement is given. S is equal to 30 centimeter. Now this we have to convert it into meter. Centimeter, meter. 100 centimeter, 1 meter. 30 centimeter, x. Cross multiplication. 100x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 upon 100. X is equal to 2 digit 0.3. Therefore, S is equal to 0.3 meter. We have converted centimeter into meter. Now, W is equal to F into S. This is the formula. Force is 10 Newton into displacement is 0.3 meter. This point we can remove by multiplying the number by 10. W is equal to 10 into 0.3 into 10 divided by 10. 10, 10 cancel. W is equal to 0 by 3 into 10. W is equal to 1 digit will go there, 3 Joule. The work done by Ravi to move book to 30 centimeter is 3 Joule. We'll see the next problem. Ajay applied a force of 40 Newton to move a table to 40 centimeter. Find the work done. Ajay applied a force of 40 Newton to move a table to 40 centimeter. Find the work done by Ajay. Given force is equal to 40 Newton, displacement is equal to 40 centimeter, work we have to find, but centimeter we have to convert it into meter. Here S is equal to 40 centimeter is given. Centimeter, meter, 100 centimeter, 1 meter, 40 centimeter, x, cross multiplication, 100x is equal to 40, x is equal to 40 divided by 100. So 2 zeros will take this side. You can cut 0 also. X is equal to 0.4. Therefore, displacement is equal to 0.4 meter. Now, we know the formula. Work is equal to force into displacement. Force is given 40 meter. Force is given 40 Newton and displacement is 0.4 meter. W. So W is equal to 40 into 0.4. This point we have to remove one digit, so we'll multiply it into 10 and divide by 10. So W is equal to 40 into one digit will go there, so it will become 4 by 10. 10 1 the 10. 10 for the 40. W is equal to 4 for the 16 Joule. The work done by Ajay to move a table to 40 centimeter is 16 Joule. The next problem we will solve. A man applied a force of 100 Newton to move a car to 20 centimeter. Find the work done. A man applied a force of 100 Newton to move a car to 20 centimeter. Find the work done. Again, same. Rate given. Force is equal to 100 Newton. Displacement is equal to 20 centimeter. Work we have to find out. Here we have displacement is equal to 20 centimeter. We have to change the centimeter into meter. Centimeter, meter, 100 centimeter, 1 meter, 20 centimeter, x, cross multiplication. 100x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 upon 100. 0, 0 cancel. X is equal to 0.2 meter. Therefore, S is equal to 0.2 meter. Centimeter we have converted into meter. W is equal to F into S. W is equal to 100 into 0.2. W is equal to 100 into point we have to remove, so 0.2 into 10 upon 10. So W is equal to 100 into point is removed 2 by 10. 0, 0 cut. W is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 Joule. Therefore, work done is 20 Joule. We'll see the next problem. Amit applied a force of 400 Newton to move a book to 2 centimeter. Find the work done. Again, given force is equal to 400 Newton, displacement is equal to 2 centimeter, W is equal to work which we have to find. Displacement S is equal to 2 centimeter. Centimeter we have to convert it into meter. Centimeter, meter, 100, 1, 2 centimeter, x, cross multiplication, 100x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 divided by 100, x is equal to 0.02 meter, displacement is equal to 0.02 meter. Work is equal to force into displacement. Work is equal to force is what? 400 into displacement is 0.02. W is equal to 400 into 0.02 into 100 because 2 digits we have to remove, again divided by 100. So W is equal to 400 into 2 upon 100, 0, 0, 0, 0. W is equal to 4 2s are 8 joule. Therefore, the work done is 8 joule. That was done. We'll stop here. Thank you.